is a video to capture the gating for TDD signal. The previous video doesn't show much on it, but let's revisit this. So currently we are looking at 5G signal. So it's a TDD signal. So we go back to spec-end. So let's preset everything here. Let's go back to gate view and gating for now. So this is a signal in the same spectrum, and so let's work on it. So first of all, let's preset it just to make life easier. So center frequency is at 3.584438. Let's preset it. Center frequency 3.584. Right, and span, let's zoom it down to 15 meg. Let's turn on the preamp. Okay, so you got to forgive me because I'm standing on the ladder while trying to go onto a video camera and FieldFox. So let's do this. Next, max hold the second trace just to look at whether we are looking at this right signal. Okay, somewhere there. So let's zoom it down again. So roughly there. Let's move it to the middle. Yep, about there. Yep. So now we go to. There are a few things that we have to do. One of it is to lower down the resolution bandwidth just to get a better reading for now. And when we go to trigger, the gating, it will set it back to the maximum. So that's for that is for now. And the other one is sweep acquisition. So we might have to increase that so that it fits. Similar to the time TDD profile, right? So once we've done that, so we got a rough idea. Let's do a trigger free run. It's a free run. Use RF burst, and then we set it to roughly -70. There we go. Okay. So with that, let's turn on to FFT gating. So as you can see that the RBW set it to auto because we want to have as much information as we can to go through. So let's increase the gate time. Sorry, we turn on the gate view. So as you can notice, it's always the gating time is always moving up and down. So the other one that we have to do is to set the gate view time. Let's increase it to 5 milliseconds. And one more thing is that while we are in this gating view, as you can see, it's very slow, by the way. And while we are there, I would suggest to turn back acquisition to auto, so that it doesn't mess with the TDD profile in this time gating, right? So trigger FFT gating. So I found that if you need to play around with this gate width and so gate view time. So there's a sweet spot between these two settings. So it depends on the signal. For 5G in Melbourne, this is the sweet spot, 3 milliseconds and 5 milliseconds. But we don't have a chance to try out LTE TDD. So if you need to increase it more so that to see the second TDD, so you can just increase here. And I will not recommend to do too much on this gate width because it will really mess up with your measurements. But if you know what you're doing, go ahead. Alright, that's for today. This setup for the gating. revisit. Thanks for watching. Bye.